on the journey towards net zero and perhaps even beyond it. We're moving beyond take, make, and waste to an economy that renews the value of its resources over and over again.
GCC countries have prospered from decades of economic, population, and societal growth. But while the region's potential may seem limitless, its resources are finite, constituting a serious constraint for this growth to continue. By minimizing consumption and maximizing resource value, a circular economy overcomes this limitation, opens meaningful business opportunities throughout the value cycle, and protects our environment from both depletion and pollution. We begin with reducing the superfluous use and waste, then give materials a second, third, fourth life whenever possible to reuse and recycle. There is already momentum towards circularity in the GCC, both in line with the global race towards sustainability and as a key component of diversifying the economy away from oil, including ambitious targets aimed to greatly accelerate what has been achieved by other developed countries to this point. GCC governments and companies are investing in increasingly innovative and effective solutions for this aim, but more must be done to avoid continuing to overshoot our planetary boundaries. Considering the bold growth agendas of GCC countries, high and growing waste generation is a serious concern for this region, particularly focusing on concrete and cement, plastic, metals, and bio-waste, material streams driven by the construction and agriculture industries and by our communities. As it stands today, effective waste collection across those material streams is approximately 60% globally, and in the vast majority of cases, waste collection is not properly sorted, leading to recycling rates below 20%. But to sustain renewable resources and prolong access to finite ones, by 2040, we need a global recycling rate of 80 to 90%. That ambition is possible for the GCC. It will take significant investment, roughly $130 billion over the next 20 years, and also a coordinated effort throughout the value cycle, led by government ministries and waste managers, and joined by energy, industrial, and commercial players seizing the opportunities upstream. It's a bold plan, but this collective action would have an enormous and critical impact, increasing GDP by $100 billion, creating more than 200,000 jobs, and generating expansive opportunities for the region's economy to diversify and become self-sufficient, while continuing to grow. It would also substantially improve the quality of life in the present, secure finite resources for the future, and of course, protect our one and only planet.
Net zero isn't our target, it's our launch pad. We're driving beyond zero in the GCC by harnessing the power of a circular economy.